To you. It's your girl CC and welcome back to another video. Today we are cleaning out our beloved travel trailer because we are finally getting a new RV. We got the call last week that our RV will be here at the end of the month and we are super excited. So I guess we'll just show you guys the process and what it takes to get this thing clean. Stay tuned. Peace. What you say? You want to help me? Okay. Here. Put that in there.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid.
Okay.
Where's the boy?
Wasn't looking
Good
for
job, There's more? Okay,
nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you came around and you but I shut it down. So you took it to and I.
Okay, you guys, so the camper is cleaned out and this is a very bittersweet moment because the realization that this is our last time being in this camper is like, it's very bittersweet for the simple fact that this was our first like travel trailer, like our first big purchase.
And we thought we were going to have for at least what? We said at least a year?
We said like 3 years.
We did. We figured it's going to be, thought it would be weekend warriors for a while. Which we are, still are. But we have been blessed.
So we are upgrading our camper. I cannot wait to show you guys what we got. But it is definitely like, it's sad, but it's a joyous, it's not a sad occasion. It's a joyous occasion, but it's just like, wow. Like, I can't believe we outgrew this camper so fast. I'm excited for new cooking in the RV segments. I'm excited for just more opportunities for travel. I'm excited for you guys to see the new camper.
You're excited. I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
I'm completely nervous. I was excited at first. Oh, I can't believe we're doing this and we're upgrading. And then as we got the news that the camper was coming, and we had to rush to get this one together or get it prepared, I'm getting more nervous now.
The thing is, our new camper was not supposed to be ready until December.
Yes.
So.
And it is now what?
It's September. It's September.
So we definitely wasn't prepared.
Our new camper was not supposed to be ready till December because we custom ordered it. We just couldn't find what we wanted on the lot. And we had an opportunity to sit down with Sarah and her team at Bogue RV's. Best customer service. They become like family. They really took their time and explained things to us and helped us go through all the options and everything. So I'm truly grateful for them. So this video will be the last video in our Autumn Ridge. So stay tuned. Buckle up because we have some decorating to do. We have some trick-or-treating to do.
Some more organization.
We have some organizing to do. We have a lot of things coming, a lot of things in store, and I'm so glad that you guys have joined me on this journey. You guys have been amazing. We're just so blessed for the opportunity, really. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for sharing and telling your friends about it. It's been a beautiful journey thus far. I hope you guys are ready for some fun things. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, Click the bell so that you don't miss any videos that are coming to you.
My bad. Thought it going good there.
Oh my God. Yeah, just thank you guys. Thank you so much. And we'll see you guys in the next video.